In this video, I want to talk about how to start tomatoes from seeds. So step one, get some seeds. There's a couple ways to do this. You can go and just buy seeds, and if you're going to collect seeds and keep growing the same tomatoes year after year, I could recommend getting heirloom seeds. These are going to breed true. You don't have to buy seeds specifically. You can go and buy a tomato, and there are seeds in this. You see these tiny little brown things here? These are the tomato seeds. So you can buy a tomato, or if you have a tomato from your garden at the end of the year, you'll scoop out the tomato seeds and the pulp. And then what I do is I put them on a paper towel and I'll let them sit out for a day or two. This is gonna dry out, and then you can pick these little tomato seeds out. If it's fall and you're gonna save these for the next year, you're gonna put these in the freezer and keep them in the freezer over winter till spring. If you just bought a tomato and you wanna try growing tomatoes from seed this spring, once these are dry, you're gonna place them in the soil. Now, these are very small seeds, as you can see. And what I recommend is you bury a seed as deep as it is thick. So these are gonna be put very close to the surface. So I'll take some tomato seeds, I'll sprinkle them on the soil, and I'll put a very light layer of soil above it. Now, what you wanna know is, what does the plant look like when it germinates? And that's what these are. These are tiny little tomato plants. These two little leaves here are called cotyledons. Once the tomato plants germinate like this, you want to put them into a bigger pot. Now, you could start off putting the seeds in a bigger pot, but I like to start many different types of seeds. I'm going to have eggplant here, and I have a tiny little pumpkin plant here. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in a bigger pot. So you get a bigger pot, you're going to put some soil in it and have a little hole where you're going to put the tomato plant. Make sure the soil is wet. And then you're going to take your tomato plant out, and when you put it in the pot, it should look like this. We have a nice little tomato plant in here. Then you're going to put this under your grow light, a fluorescent light, or LED, or if you have a very sunny window, you can put it in there for a few weeks. And when it's a little bit bigger and you're no more frost outside, you can plant these outside. And you can collect seeds year after year, and you can grow your own tomatoes for as long as you like. I hope this helps you get started with tomato plants from seed. Good growing.